Hi sailors, welcome to Builderfly Sailor University, and in this video tutorial, we'll help you select and add a new theme for your online store. To do so, click on the website under Build section. Then click on Theme Marketplace. Here, you will find all the Builderfly professional online store themes we have available for you. These are designed for different business niches. However, you can try any of these regardless of business industry. Hovering on any of these, you can add it or check details. Here, you will find all the features of the theme listed. You can check details of other themes or add the one you chose. Click Preview, and here you can see the changed look of your online store with the latest theme. When you change your theme, your product categories and content will stay the same, but the banner images and other content will change as per your new theme. We recommend you to decide on the theme and stick to the same before working on the store customization options. You can view all your chosen themes in My Themes section. You can apply same again to move back to your previous theme. Click Preview to check if your previous theme is reapplied. That's it. You can try and implement new themes from Builderfly Theme Marketplace. We'll guide you with the store customization options in the next video. Thank you for watching.